this one's going to be the Four Corners Rally down in Durango, Colorado. Been a couple years since I've been down, but this will be Dan's first time. And if you haven't ever been, I highly suggest it. It's getting better every year. All right, let's go. Stopped here at Chimney Rock after stopping at the Ute Casino for the first poker card. I got a 5 of hearts, not the best to start off, but you never know. We'll see. But there's Chimney Rock. we're here at the Real Deal.
Woohoo!
And we're going to be learning what today?
We are going to be doing MIG welding today. We have our Lincoln Electric welder right here. We have our Power MIG 215.
Awesome.
And yes, we're going to be teaching welding. So we're going to be doing a couple beads and then having you learn some tack weld and just like understanding the basics of welding today.
Perfect. I'm excited. You've been running other classes during this rally as well with the Real Deal. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the Real Deal?
Sure, totally. So my name is Theresa and I am co-founder of Real Deal Revolution. We, with Jesse Combs and myself, started Real Deal in 2014. So her and I met each other on an all-female build. And together we were like, you know, after that build, we were like, okay, cool. Like, you know, all these women came together for this build, but where are the rest of them? Like, right. We want to see more women like hanging out and doing this, and we want them in the garage with us, you know, because her and I just loved being in the garage together and building things.
And there's a lot of women out there that do, but they just maybe don't know or have the support.
Yeah, and it was earlier. It was like early social media, but you know, like and everything, and so so her and I, you know, I was already running a part of another nonprofit, so she knew I was interested in doing things like that. I love volunteering and helping, serving others to get people excited about doing things like this, and she was too. So then her and I
just clicked, and
so her and I started it together, and we would go around. And we wanted to just empower women. That was our first focus and goal. Is we wanted women to empower other women. We went to our first Born Free out, and no women came up to learn. There were men and kids, and we were like, well, we're not going to tell them no. Like, that's not our goal. Like, we want to be inclusive.
Exactly.
We don't want to exclude anyone, you know. So what we learned from that first event is like we were like, well, we want all female instructors, because we want to showcase what women's abilities and talents are, and that they're in this industry doing things like this, but we want to teach everyone.
Yeah.
So, you know,
I think it's a lot less intimidating when you do see someone, you know, for me, if I see a woman doing something, then I'll be instantly interested in saying, I want to do that, I want to know.
Yeah.
Because like we were just talking, is sometimes you run into that old school attitude is to, oh, little darling, you know, just sit in the corner and look cute. But the fact is, you know, we are just as capable. You just need to have the, you know, the confidence in the showing.
Because we're detail oriented, softer handed.
Yeah.
Like at our class, I was the only female. It was just me and him, and they were saying that the women have the better eye for the tinting because, I mean, we match, we do stuff.
Well, we have our strengths just like they have theirs, but like to learn it all. But I really appreciate that you did set this out for women.
Awesome.
And I hope that we can, you know, get some more women interested with these videos. Show you that not just girls ride bikes, but we can work on them and do that. And I know there's a lot of channels out there with women nowadays that are doing it.
Yes.
And I'm not necessarily close to that, but I'm learning, and that's the point, is that you're always moving forward. So thank you so much for doing the Real Deal. And go ahead and look for Theresa at any other locations in the future.
Awesome. Yes.
Ready? All right, well done. Well, that was a great experience, and I really appreciate Theresa for teaching us how to do the welding today. And it wasn't the greatest, as you can see. I had some interesting welds, but you know what? You got to start somewhere. So thanks for her for running this Real Deal workshop. And if you see her, ladies, even gentlemen, sign up. Go ahead and try her hand at it. She's a wonderful teacher. So she also teaches some pinstriping. This is her setup that she'll do. She'll let you get some paint and brushes. She's been using first shot. got your other pinstriping class. How's the class feeling? Pretty good?
Yeah. Looking great.
Hey, look at you over there. He's doing pretty darn good over there.
Those are hard.
Yeah.
Those are hard. Those are probably the hard. So
I was trying feathers yesterday.
Like that's a more, again, it's rolling. So like as you're doing this.
You know, I never really little too much traction out there. Big trying to save it to get it back. Welcome to the Ice Brothers Wall of Death. How's everyone doing here this evening? Alright, that's what we'd like to hear. Our first driver comes all the way to Palo, Georgia. Put your hands together for Cody Ives. Cody Ives is going to take the Dixon flannel go-kart up on the wall and perform this slide for life. 4 wheels on a vertical wall, not 2. Now he's going to keep going. He's going to do the start tracks. He's going to get up to here. He's going to be on the vertical wall, so I want you guys to make some noise. When he gets halfway up, make more noise. He's doing it. He's a little faster, he's a little harder. All right, watch him go. Arizona, who happens to be the only Native American right inside the wall there. So we got something special here. That's right, we're putting Indian on a Honda. You are 100% correct. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chris Thompson. We all kick away here at the Ice Brothers Wall. Got those faces sparklers. Watch your ride.
the end of the rally on my video today. I hope you come down. It's been getting better every year, like I said. Check the website and go ahead and book your rooms early. And hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe.